In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change password on Reddit. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to enter, and what to expect. So your account stays secure. Start by logging into your Reddit account. Once you're in, look to the top right of the screen for your profile icon. Click it to open the drop-down menu, then choose Settings. This takes you to your account settings page. Make sure you're on the Account tab. If you see other categories, switch to Account so you're in the right place for password changes. Inside the Account tab, find the Password section and click it. A pop-up will appear. You'll see 3 fields in this window. The first is for your current password, the second is for your new password, and the third is to confirm that same new password. In the first field, carefully enter your current password. Passwords are case sensitive, so double check that caps lock isn't on and that any symbols are typed exactly as before. Next, in the second field, type your new password. Pick something strong that you can remember, ideally a longer passphrase with a mix of characters. Avoid reusing passwords from other sites. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to save the new one so you don't lose it later. In the third field, re-enter the exact same new password. This confirmation step ensures there are no typos. If the 2 entries don't match, the change won't go through, so take a second to verify they're identical. Below those fields, you'll see a checkbox next to a message that says, "Changing your password logs you out of all browsers on your device or devices." Check that box. This is important for your security because it signs out any existing sessions that might still be active elsewhere, making sure only your new password works moving forward. When everything looks correct, click Save at the bottom right of the pop-up. Reddit will process the update and apply your new password. Because you checked the box, you may be signed out on this browser and on any other browser or app where your account was logged in. That's normal. Simply sign back in using your new password the next time you access Reddit. That's the whole process. Open your profile menu, go to Settings, switch to the Account tab, open the Password section, enter your current and new details, check the logout box, and hit Save. And that's it. Your Reddit password is changed, and your sessions are refreshed for better security.